So I'm back with my new video wherein I want to carry forward the importance of numbers. Last time I had talked about number 5 as it is related to our human body and existence. So next number which is important from ancient Indian wisdom and generally in philosophy, number 7. Number 7 has got very significant role in our human persona, and as you see, yeah, there are some pictures here. So 7 refers to our energy center in body as explained in old Indian Vedas, and these are the centers which control our entire life throughout our existence. And as you see in the center, there is a tube which shows 7 colorful flowers. Each is called a chakra in Sanskrit, means they are energy center which have significant impact on every part of our body functions. On the right I have shown the human side pose where I have put numbers in different colors which represent the various numbers going top to bottom. Now starting with the basic information about what these chakras are. The first one you saw at the bottom, it's called the Muladhara chakra, which is the called earth element, which is located around your thigh, upper thigh, between the secretion, waste secretion points. But it's not a physical point, but it's conceptualized with red color, red and light, bright light. This is supposed to be the backbone of your existence, the strong foothold on earth physical existence. It's called Muladhara or root chakra. It has got 4-petaled lotus, conceived 4-petaled lotus. This going upward is next one is called the Swadhisthana, or it is sacral chakra. This is the water element. Now this is symbolizes with crescent moon facing upwards, and this has got 6 rose petals and is orange in color. This is supposed to control the desires of the human being. One wants to have a lot of cash, one wants a lot of money, a lot of property, a lot of cars, all those stuffs, a lot of desire for physical pleasures, all those things. So that is controlled by this chakra, and those who have got these earthly desires in high the magnitude, they are controlled by this chakra. Now going upwards, the next yellow color of flower, that is the called Manipura chakra. This is somewhere above the navel part, below the rib cage, and this is supposed to control the digestive system. It's called fire chakra, and this is as I told, it's near just above the belly button and below the uh, rib cage. So this has got a vital function. Going further up is the uh, anahata. This is called air element. This is green in color. This is center of the rib cage and in line with the heart. This controls our vital energy forces. When we breathe, the oxygen is taken in lungs, and it is the blood. The heart pumps blood, good blood out, and takes the impure blood and purifies and goes back, gives back again. So this is a very important chakra in the center of the human existence, and it is represented by 2 triangles. One is facing down, one is facing up. So here, entire energy system is supposed to meet. So when we go upwards, next is the uh, Akash element. It's called Vishuddhi chakra. This is a blue in color. It is supposed to exist in the throat region, and this is supposed to control your voice, vocal cord. And people who have got very sweet voice, their throat chakra is very much balanced, Vishuddhi chakra. And when we go upwards, next is the Ajna chakra, that is purple in color and supposed to be existing in the forehead, behind the eyebrows, center of the eyebrows, just below the skull. That is a highest level chakra, Ajna chakra, that is having only 2 petals, and the There one, you see the triangle facing down. That the last of all is the Sahasrara chakra, that is supposed to be the highest of the energy center, which is supposed to be on the top of the crown of the head. This is supposed to link us with the infinite energy of the universe. And as per Indian belief system, every human being should try to reach that level so that we are beyond body, and we conceptualize or perceive what we are. We are not what we seem to be, but we are beyond that physical body. So that is the main aim of the human existence. Now going back to these chakras, each chakra has a representation by one letter called Bij mantra, root mantra. For Muladhara or root chakra, it is Lam. Going up for the Swadhisthana, it is Vam. Going forward for Manipura, it is Ram. Next up is the Anyata Anahata, this is Yam. Next one is Vishuddhi chakra, it is Ham. Then next up in Ajna is Om. And next is just Aum, you can say. Now, aim should be to keep all these energies balanced in a human system. So the human being is a balanced person. Now, if I give you just small hint of how each works, suppose somebody's Manipura chakra is not balanced, we call it balanced or activated, that person will all the problem abdomen, maybe digestion, it could be constipation, or it could be cancerous thing also, or it could be diarrhea or colic pains. So one can control all these things by following certain laid down procedures to do yogic practices and chanting of Bij mantra Ram. So idea should be that if you feel that you are not having proper balance of any particular attribute that you have, then you can focus on that particular chakra and you can activate and balance it, and you will see the result. I have myself been practicing this chakra dharana, it's called, meditating all the 7 chakras by chanting in the morning, and I feel that I have got a lot of energy shift, and there are much deeper practices evolved for activating each chakra over a long period of time. So one can choose any one chakra and activate it by chanting the particular Bij mantra for at least 24 times, or maybe for 20 minutes in a day in the morning. Now the main mandatory requirement is that one should sit on the ground, or not on a tiles or floor, but preferably on ground or grass. Or one can sit on chair and put the feet uncrossed in the ground and start working on the chakras. So thank you for this thing. I will come back on this particular aspect of 7 chakras. Each chakra has got its own significant deep meaning, and how to activate, there is a process, and one should attempt to balance all the chakras over a period of time and feel happy and see the energy shift that you receive. Thank you very much. I will come back to you in next video on these chakras.